In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an app using the ClickUp API. This is a fantastic skill for anyone looking to integrate ClickUp features into their apps or systems for a more efficient workflow. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the steps to make it happen. First, you'll want to start by heading over to ClickUp. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and sign in to your account. Once you're in, you've landed at your ClickUp dashboard, which is kind of like the command center where you manage all your tasks and projects. From here, your next move will be to navigate to your profile. You can usually find it at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Scan this menu for the Settings option and give it a click. Inside the Settings area, you'll find a variety of options to customize and configure your experience. But today we're focusing solely on the ClickUp API section. This area is key for developers as it allows you to create an app and integrate ClickUp's functionalities into other platforms. Once you click on ClickUp API, locate the Create an App button. It's your golden ticket to getting everything set up, so go ahead and click on it. Now you're in the app creation form. You're going to be prompted to name your app. Choose a name that's memorable and descriptive of what your app will do. This helps not only you, but also teammates or others who will interact with it. Furthermore, you'll see a place to enter a redirect URL. The redirect URL is where users will be sent after they authorize your app. So enter a URL that makes sense for your use case, something that leads them back to your website or application. Once you have these fields filled out, you're ready to click the Create App button. This step is where the magic happens. After clicking, ClickUp will generate an API key for you. This key is incredibly important. It's what allows secure communication between ClickUp and the app you're creating. Make sure you store it somewhere safe. It's sensitive data that you wouldn't want falling into the wrong hands. And just like that, you've created an app using the ClickUp API. This new app will allow you to start integrating ClickUp's potent task management capabilities into different applications and workflows. You're finished with the setup, and you're all set to explore the new possibilities and efficiencies that integrating ClickUp's features can offer. What's left is to take this knowledge and put it to use in enhancing your productivity and workflow, or maybe even incorporating it into your team's tasks for better synergy and results. Thanks for following along, and happy integrating.